2025 Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0T SE boasts a bold and sophisticated look with its refreshed front grille, LED headlights, and sleek body lines. Presented by Berge Volkswagen. Riding on 18-inch alloy wheels, it strikes a balance between rugged capability and refined design. Chrome window surrounds and roof rails add a touch of upscale utility. Under the hood, the Tiguan 2.0T SE is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces smooth acceleration and confident highway passing. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it delivers a composed and efficient ride, with optional 4-motion all-wheel drive for added traction in challenging conditions. The Tiguan continues to impress with its versatile rear seating. The second row offers generous legroom and can recline or slide for added comfort. A 40-20-40 split folding design makes it easy to expand cargo space, and some configurations even offer a third row option for up to 7 passengers. Inside, the cabin features soft-touch materials, a leatherette-wrapped steering wheel, and heated front seats. Dual-zone automatic climate control and ambient lighting enhance the driving experience. The SE trim brings a premium feel without stepping into luxury pricing. Standard safety features include front assist, blind spot monitor, and rear traffic alert. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and emergency assist enhance driver confidence, making the Tiguan SE a strong contender in family-friendly safety tech. The 2025 Tiguan SE includes an 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus voice control and Bluetooth connectivity. USB-C ports and a wireless charging pad keep your devices powered, while the digital cockpit gives drivers a customizable view of key info. Convenience features like keyless access with push-button start, a power liftgate, and rain-sensing windshield wipers make daily driving easier. Ample interior storage and cup holders ensure the Tiguan is ready for both errands and road trips. The 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0T SE offers a well-rounded blend of style, space, and smart features. It's ideal for drivers seeking practicality with a premium edge without going over budget. Whether you're commuting or adventuring, the Tiguan SE delivers with comfort and confidence. You can view our selection at bergevw.com, give us a call at 480-646-4858, or visit our showroom today.